Welcome back. On behalf of everyone in the William Foster School family, welcome back to the 2021-2022 school year. And thank you for your continued support and determination to succeed in this new normal environment of public education. Together, I am confident that we will all continue on the road to not only recover from the impacts of the global pandemic, but also strive, succeed, and have some fun as well. While we are eager and excited to see your smiling faces again, from the first day of school until the end of the school year, our staff will lovingly be determined to help students grow and achieve and to better prepare them for their next grade level in their respective educational journeys. That's our top priority. Students can expect a year of rigor, acceptance, and advancement, with safety precautions taken along the way. We will be reviewing PACS and PBIS behavior and setting the bar very high for how we interact with one another this year. William Foster staff will ask students to set goals for themselves, as well as to help in creating their own solid plan for a successful school year. Masks are required for the first 5 weeks of school. If your student is feeling under the weather or ill, please keep them home for everyone's safety. Let's keep everyone safe and secure. We've done this before and we will successfully do this again. Parents, thank you in advance for your support. Parents, you can also help students to stay in the game as part of our initiative with the Cleveland Browns to help students attend class regularly when they are symptom-free and feeling healthy. Please mark your calendars for the Meet the Teacher Night on August 23rd and for the Student Family Fun Night on Friday, September 10th. Both of these events are designed to grow our families and allow us to shake off the summertime, re-engage each other in meaningful ways, and show what it means to be a true Bulldog. More information will be forthcoming, so stay on the lookout. We look forward to the upcoming school year. Please feel free to contact me at any time. Thank you, William Foster families.